Big tidy houses in a row, dark smooth pavement, fresh white sidewalks and driveways, emerald lawns despite the drought, garage doors lined up, all closed. The only evidence of human life, people in the yards, are the hired help. Cars drive down the street, doors open, cars disappear, doors close. This is his routine. Morning, garage door open, close, work. Evening, garage door open, close, repeat. One day he's driving home, hits the button, his door scrolls upward, and wait a sec, so does the door on the other side of the street. He wonders about frequencies, then sees a car driving at him, starting to turn in the opposite driveway. As he turns right, the other car does the same, and his eyes catch hers. In that moment, he sees light and kindness and wit. He pulls into his garage and doesn't close the door. He peers into the rearview mirror and he prays. The other door stays open. Electricity sparkles through him. He gets out of the car, as does she. He waves, as does she, and they walk toward each other quickly. Instant recognition, not from this neighborhood, that's for sure, nor from this life, but somehow they know each other, and they both feel it everywhere. He offers his hands palms up and looks into her eyes. He says, "I'm so very happy to see you again." She takes his hands and returns his gaze. "Me too." And from then on, their garage doors remain open.